The drone community is buzzing with excitement, and rightly so. DJI, the undisputed king of consumer drones, is once again ready to revolutionize the sky with its highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. While the official announcement remains under wraps, leaks and insider reports have already painted a compelling picture of what might be DJI's most powerful mini drone yet. From jaw-dropping camera upgrades to industry-shaking pricing strategies, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in every sense. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we explore every shocking leak, finalized specs, camera performance revelations, and pricing surprises you need to know. Before diving into the Mini 5 Pro, it's important to understand how DJI got here. The original Mini revolutionized sub-250G flight with portability and performance. The Mini 2 added 4K video. The Mini 3 Pro introduced obstacle sensors, a rotating camera, and intelligent flight features. The Mini 4 Pro made major refinements with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, better battery life, and superior transmission. But now, DJI seems set to take the Mini line into uncharted territory with the Mini 5 Pro. And if the leaks are even half true, it could become the most capable compact drone ever made. According to multiple sources including Chinese leakers, insider supply chain tips, and regulatory filings, the DJI Mini 5 Pro will come equipped with a slate of upgrades that previously only appeared in high-end drones like the Air and Mavic series. Here's a roundup of the most confirmed and shocking features. One of the biggest revelations is the inclusion of a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive upgrade over the 1/1.3 sensor used in the Mini 4 Pro. This means improved low-light performance, richer dynamic range, and true cinematic image capture. Effective megapixels. Leaked details suggest up to 48 MP stills, using quad-Bayer technology. Aperture. Expected f/1.7 or possibly f/1.8 for better low-light shots. Video. 4K per 120 frames per second recording is now very likely, with 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG for pro-grade color grading. Zoom, up to 4x digital zoom, possibly with hybrid zoom tech for lossless clarity. In short, this might be the first sub-250G drone with a camera that rivals full-size drones like the Air 3. Sources point to a new AI flight chipset built into the Mini 5 Pro, designed to handle subject recognition, dynamic obstacle navigation, and gesture control like never before. Expect smarter. Active Track 6.0 or 7.0, with better subject tracking, even around corners or through obstacles. Mastershots 2.0, autonomously fly pre-programmed cinematic routes. Skyfollow, new smart subject prediction AI that anticipates subject movement for smoother tracking. Voice Assistant integration. Rumors of Siri/Google Assistant integration through the DJI Fly app. For the first time, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with full 360-degree obstacle sensing, including side sensors, a feature missing in the Mini 4 Pro. Forward, backward, upward, downward, and sideways obstacle sensors. Improved APAS 6.0 or 7.0